Welcome back to Rashad's Garage, and today I finally am going to be putting my Rubicon 4-to-1 transfer case in. So when I went to Chili Challenge, it was a great time. The Jeep did good, but those slow controlled crawls, it couldn't do. Like,
straighten out, right there, straight. Try to crawl it, try to work it back and forth.
I mean, it could do it, but it was just jumping and moving a little too fast. So they recommended that I get a 4-to-1. So I bought one. It's been in for about a week now, and I'm actually about to pull up at my buddy David's house and get it done. Since I still don't have my house in my garage, Rashad's Garage, I'm back to using David's house. But I like being out here. I do like working in my own garage, but I do like coming out here. I used to come here a lot when I used to live here and before I had my kid and I was married. But anyways, I'm about to pull up over there, but I want to show you, I want to try to do a comparison. I don't know how to compare it, but I'm gonna try right now. So I think I'm gonna put it in 4 low and just let it crawl and see how fast it gets, and then I'll compare that to the 4-to-1 once it's installed. So of course, put a Jeep in 4-wheel drive. I put it in neutral, bring it all the way back, and then drive. So here it is. Yes, I got a lot of lights. I need to replace some sensors and redo my injectors, but oh, this is actually pretty slow. That was gonna be faster. So I'm not, no gas input, no nothing. I'm just letting it crawl, and you can see it is at, I don't know, what is that, like 2 miles per hour, maybe something like that. So yeah, so I guess this is all I really can do to compare it. But let me pull up over here, open this gate, and pull my Jeep back and get ready to work. Okay, so about 2 hours later, the Rubicon transfer case is in. So let's see the difference. Again, no gas. And you can noticeably see how slower the Jeep is moving in 4 low compared to the 272 transfer case. I can't wait to get this out and actually crawl up things. Right now is just testing it out while driving straight, but I'm really excited to see how this thing performs off-road. I didn't really get much of the install. We were just busy working. Another one of our buddies stopped by, so chopping it up with him, so I really didn't record much of it. But I will show some videos and clips of it crawling up some things later on. So I'll continue this video probably in a couple days or so. So the transfer case, I actually got to test it out yesterday. The 4-to-1 is way better than the stock transfer case. I love it. It feels better, more controlled. We actually went out to Horizon for the turkey run. Horizon's in Texas, a little east of El Paso, nothing too much. But before I close out this video, I got something else. I'm actually on my way to get this started. Let me unlock this first. All right, so I got the little pin out. This is what I'm on the way to go get installed. I got a Sprintex supercharger. I couldn't beat the deal. I wasn't planning on doing a supercharger, but a buddy hit me up, let me know that he had this for a good price, and I couldn't refuse. So we met up halfway and I got it. So I'm actually on my way to my buddy's shop and we're about to get this installed. So be on the lookout for a supercharger video, install video. With that being said, like, comment, and subscribe for more.